Today we are going to practice telling time. Now last week I taught you how to tell time to the nearest hour and to the nearest half hour. But today we're going to kind of put everything together and we're just going to practice telling time, because really the best way to become proficient or an expert at it is to practice. So let's go over some of the things we've already learned, and then I'm going to have you do some practicing on your own today. All right, up here you see 3 different versions of time written out. You have the analog clock, right? This is the one that has the numbers going around. Then you have the numerals that you would see on a digital clock, like an electric clock. And then you have it in word form. Now, these 3 examples all say the exact same thing. They're just in different forms. And that's what I really want you to work on today, is being able to say the time or write the time or tell the time in one of these 3 ways, or all the ways. So in this case, it's 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. Now, last week I didn't talk about this, and I want to make sure that I cover it today. You'll notice that when it's 3 o'clock, when you write numerals, the o'clock is represented with 2 zeros to the right of these 2 dots. The hour goes to the left of the 2 dots. These 2 zeros are representing the minute hand on the 12. It's the start of the hour, so that no minutes have passed. So that's why it's 0, 0. And in written form, we just keep it simple with 3 o'clock. When you see the o'clock, you know that the minute hand is pointing to the 12. Here's a different example. This one's different because the minute hand is halfway down the clock. We learned this last week. This is when we were telling time to the half hour. All 3 of these are saying the same thing. They're all saying 1:30. The hour hand is pointing to the 1, and the minute hand is pointing to the 6, halfway around the clock. Now here is the time written in numerals, like the way you would see it on a digital clock. Notice that the hour is still the same, but the minutes are different. It doesn't look like the minutes up here, and that's because it's 30 minutes past the hour. So we put a 30 in the minutes place, but the 1 stays there. And finally, in word form, we write it as 1:30. This is the word 30. Or you can say 1:30. You actually might find 1:30 a little bit easier, because it certainly is easier to understand. All right, well, that's about it. I just wanted to review these ideas with you. And now you're going to go to IXL and you're going to practice your math skills there. It's a little bit more fun than doing another worksheet. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.